In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete documents in Pandadoc. We'll walk through the full process from your main documents list, all the way to permanently removing a file from your account. I'll also point out a few things to watch out for, so you don't accidentally delete something important. First, make sure you're logged into your Pandadoc account and you're on the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. From this menu, click on the option labeled Documents. This is where all of your drafts, sent documents, and completed documents are listed. Once you're in the Documents tab, find the specific document you want to remove. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of documents. When you've located the right one, move your mouse over that document row. As you hover over it, you'll notice a small menu icon appear, usually represented by 3 vertical dots on the right side of the row. Click on these 3 vertical dots to open the Actions menu for that document. In this menu, look for the option that says Move to Archive. Click on Move to Archive. At this stage, you're not permanently deleting the document, you're just taking it out of your active list and placing it into the archive. This is helpful as a safety step because if you change your mind, you can still restore it from there. If you're sure you want the document completely removed from your account, you'll need to take one more step. On the left-hand navigation menu, look for the Trash or Trash Folder option and click it. Inside the trash area, you'll see documents that have been archived or removed from the main list and are waiting to be permanently deleted. Find the document in the trash folder and again hover over it so the 3 vertical dots appear on the right side. Click on the dots to open the Actions menu one more time. This time, choose the option that says Delete Permanently. Pandadoc may show a confirmation message, reminding you that this action cannot be undone. Once you confirm, the document is permanently deleted from your account and can't be recovered, so double-check that you've selected the correct file before you finalize it. And that's the full process for deleting documents in Pandadoc, from the Main Documents tab to permanent removal in the trash folder.